Subway Wind by Claude McKay. Far down, down through the city's great gaunt gut, the gray train rushing bears the weary wind. The packed cars, the fans, the crowd's breath cut, leaving the sick and heavy air behind. And pale-cheeked children seek the upper door to give their summer jackets to the breeze. Their laugh is swallowed in the deafening roar of captive wind that moans for fields and seas. Seas, cooling warm where native schooners drift through sleepy waters, while gulls wheel and sweep, waiting for windy waves the keels to lift lightly among the islands of the deep. Islands of lofty palm trees blooming white that led their perfume to the tropic sea, where fields lie idle in the dew-drenched night, and the trades float above them, fresh and free.